Hello, YouTube. I'm Eli the Fatigued. I forgot that I was muted there. We're playing some more Cataclysm Dark Days Ahead. And for a second there, I was wondering why am I looking at Crypt Blouse, and I was like, oh yeah, that's what's in my cargo space. Excuse me. Yawn. Just added, 200 pounds of corn to my vehicle. Alright, did get that jerry can earlier, didn't I? Yeah. Let's see if I can grab some milk from these cows. Oh, whoops. Sorry, cow. I forgot how to do everything and stuff. Sorry, cows. Let me be friends. How full is it? Okay, so it can hold 80 raw milk. Fair enough. Excuse me? Did I read that wrong? Volume, 10 liters out of 20 liters. I should have enough for this. I should have enough. What the heck? Whatever. I'll go pour some into what's it called? A jug. Instead, I could also just fill one of these roof tanks with raw milk. That would be good. I'd have to do it one cow at a time, but might be worth it. Come here, cow. Is it because I'm overweight with that? I add more milk, I'm overweight or some garbage. That sounds like it's something this game does. What? Is it because this milk is hot and the other milk isn't? That's stupid. I thought they got rid of the temperature bug issues. Oh, apparently they're back again. There we go. Yeah, it's literally just because one was hot and one was cold. Thought they fixed that like a year ago. Either it's back again, or it never got fully fixed. Now I have to wait like 30 minutes. And boom. Which one of you have I not milked yet? No, there's at least one. Yeah, it's probably the one in here. Oh, there's one out there as well. And that's probably why I couldn't put it in the jerry can earlier either. Because as soon as it turns no longer hot, it can't go in with the fresh hot milk. Yeah, that's annoying. Speaking of annoying, oh no, it's not letting me do it again because it's still raw milk fresh. What? Come on. Yeah, no, I've ignored the error, so it keeps happening, and doesn't give me a reason for it. It just decides it doesn't want to work. Is it because one's fresh now and one's not? Yeah, it's because one's fresh and one's not now. Oh my gosh. That is stupid and annoying. Which one of you haven't I milked? Oh, I thought the game crashed there for a second. There we go. Yeah, there's one of y'all I hadn't milked yet. And I think there's one more I haven't milked, but I don't want to deal with the stupid fluid mechanics that are bugging out. Oh my gosh. Literally can't put fresh milk in with non-fresh milk, even though it's not rotten. And you can't put hot milk in with cold milk. Whatever. Yeah, apparently that shelf-stable milk, quote-unquote shelf-stable milk, is rotten. I'm pretty sure that stuff's supposed to last for, years. And I'm in day 27. There seems to be some issues going on with the game. Alright. I think we've gone all that we can over to the west here. Let's see. I do something with the milk to make it last longer. No, about 1 day. What about powdered milk? I need a smoker, dehydrator, or smoking rack with charges. There are smoking racks inside there, but they don't have charges. I saw a food dehydrator at one of those warehouses. Let's go back to those warehouses, grab one of those food dehydrators. Hello, troll. I don't want to feed you. Speaking of feeding, what plants are these? Corn, corn, corn. Just a bunch of corn, fair enough. Gotta feed the cows somehow. I doubt those cows are gonna be cows much longer. They're gonna eventually be zows, zombie cows. Alright, was it this one that had the dehydrator? I think it may have been. And there's only 2 places that had it. That have it. You know what I mean. I think it was this here. No? I should have just grabbed it. I don't know why I didn't. I was like, oh, I don't need it. What's the point in having a food dehydrator? Because you know me, I'm dumb. Especially at, 1 in the morning. Right, I'm pretty sure it's not at this one, though. I don't need the hot plate, because I've got the chemistry set, but I will take the battery in case I do find the... Oh wait, hold on. I didn't even notice this vehicle. Is it drivable? Holy crap, I think it's drivable. Nice. I used to drive a big truck for work. I know how to drive big trucks. Alright, put it over... Actually, we can take it down to that Humvee down there. Take one of the tanks off of this one, put it on that Humvee. I should have grabbed the bike out of my other vehicle real quick first. Now I'm gonna have to walk back to the other Humvee. At least it wasn't as bad as that one night where I literally, closed my eyes for 10 seconds on stream and ran into that freaking fence. Not quite to that point yet, thankfully. More physically exhausted than mentally exhausted. I guess that's kind of why I'm playing games, so I can exhaust myself so I can go to sleep. There it is. Oh, come on. I guess it's 13 volume. That's fair. Alright. Milk. And then... powdered milk. Ooh, chocolate milk. Doesn't look like it doesn't look like I can make chocolate milk. Oh, no, I can. Milk and a chocolate bar. Fair enough. Oh, I love chocolate milk. Again, it's like I've been mentioning. I love food. I keep mentioning all these foods that I like, and I just love food. Oh, putting the earplugs just like silenced everything. It's just so. Sorry about that. I just had to put in the earplugs to stop myself from getting interrupted by sound every 5 seconds. Because it's no longer hot. Oh my gosh. So annoying. Drink some milk. Freshly made milk. Basically, fresh day, like fresh from that day from a cow. I don't know if you guys have ever had that fresh of milk. I've had that fresh of goat milk before. That stuff was pretty good. It was still processed and everything, so that it wasn't unhealthy or, dangerous to eat. Yeah, cake and milk. One of the best meals in the world, cake and milk. Hey, it's a good thing I picked up all those high-capacity medium batteries, eh? I didn't even think that this was gonna be what I was gonna be using it for. I forgot to put the kitchen buddy on this vehicle. I at least put it. I did not. I did not put it in the vehicle at all in any way, shape, or form, and that's why I've been going through this issue. Nice. Alright, well, I'll keep an eye on the milk. Once it gets to 12 hours, we'll head back to our base. I want to hit that helipad first. Then we'll go back to base. So we'll sleep here for the night, then we'll go back to base. Or, sorry, we'll sleep here for the night, then we'll go check out that helipad, then we'll go back to the base. You know, order of operations is important. However, YouTube, this is where we need to end the episode. Thank you for joining us. I've been Eli the Fatigued. Don't forget to like, comment, and or subscribe. It really does support the channel, and I appreciate the support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.